Hi guys, very good evening. Now this is Current Affairs Quiz dated 12th May 2020. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon in order to receive daily current affairs update and quizzes as well. So guys, let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following is India's easternmost tiger reserve? So Sundarbans Tiger Reserve, Kamlang Tiger Reserve, Namdafa Tiger Reserve and Pake Tiger Reserve. So guys, it is option C, Namdafa Tiger Reserve. This is in Arunachal Pradesh. This is the easternmost tiger reserve in our country. Question number 2. Consider the statements for clownfish. Now, clownfish are found in various parts of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the Great Barrier Reef. Clownfish breeds only in sea anemones, sharing a symbiotic relationship. Presently, the sea anemones are degrading more and more every year, which is posing a threat to clownfish. Which of the following statements are correct? Answer D, 1, 2, and 3. All three of them are correct. That is, number 1, clownfish are found in various parts of Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the Great Barrier Reef. Clownfish breed only in sea anemones, sharing a symbiotic relationship. And presently, sea anemones are degrading more and more every year, which is posing a threat to clownfish. Guys, this was about clownfish, but a bit of additional information regarding our aquatic and marine life is that it is depleting. So government has granted some budget for enhancing the aquatic and marine life as well. So if you would read about it, you would come to know that the depleting source, the aquatic life and the marine life, are required to be restored. Otherwise, in few years they will get extinct. So we need to preserve this aquatic life. Question number 3. Rudar, recently seen in news, is a quantum computer. Option B, arsenic resistant rice. Option C, lithium sulfur battery. And option D, mechanical ventilator. So guys, it is a mechanical ventilator. It has been devised in the time of pandemic, that is COVID-19. It is very cheap although, and it can be used widely for saving the patients, and because we are all aware that in the times which we are living right now, we need ventilators. So the answer is D. Question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding District Mineral Foundation. District Mineral Foundation DMF was instituted under the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation MMDR Amendment Act 2015. District Mineral Foundation is a trust set up as a non-profit body in all districts to work for the interests and benefits of persons and areas affected by mining related operations. It is funded through the contribution from the miners. This is third point. And the various state DMF rules and the Pradhan Mantri Khanij Kshetra Kalyan Yojana PMKKY guidelines stipulate education, health and livelihood and skill development as high priority. Which of the above four statements are correct? So the answer is C134. Guys, these are not funded by the contribution from minors. This is a body that is made or formulated to keep intact the various essential services and needs of the minors and their families intact. So this is organized for them. It is not funded by them. Okay. Next, question 5. The Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL introduced a special winter grade diesel which does not lose its fluidity even in extreme winter conditions such as minus 30 degrees Celsius. So this winter grade diesel does not meet BI's specification of BS6 grade. This is wrong. This winter diesel does meet BS6 grade. So regular diesel fuel, why is it not used as a winter diesel fuel? Regular diesel fuel, it contains paraffin wax which at low temperature thickens, it gets viscous and hinders the flow of fuel in the car engine. So thereby we need a different fuel for cold countries where the temperature goes below minus 30 degrees Celsius. So which of the statements are correct? 1 and 3. Answer is B, because it says the second statement says that the winter grade diesel does not meet BIS specification of BS6 grade. This is not right. It does meet BS6 grade. So answer is B. So to add on more information to this, it was inaugurated by Mr. Amit Shah as a winter diesel launched by Indian Oil, primarily for regions like Ladakh. So guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel for more current affairs quizzes and updates. Please click the bell icon for more such updates. Stay tuned for more such lectures. Thank you.